Good morning, Camera Cubs. I'm Lily Burke.
I'm Ryan Bruce.
And I'm Ankle, and we're the youth group.
This week we're discussing paper airplanes since we have a competition between Mr. D's class and Mr. Schaefer's class.
Here are some opinions and interviews that we got from our Camera Cubs. Whose class do you think is going to win?
Schaefer.
Okay, any reasons?
A lot of people in there know how to make a really good airplane.
Understandable.
Who's going to win?
My class, of course.
Who do you think is going to win?
Seeing as it is Mr. D's class, he has the intelligence to actually win the game.
Okay, good answer.
Versus him on Wednesday, but I think I will beat his class in this competition because I feel like I'm the best paper airplane maker in Kentucky, and I feel like no one can top my airplane, and my airplane does it the best.
It's the next day, Wednesday, and we are here at the competition. It is very hot out, so we're going to show you guys some clips of what we've got at this competition.
The only problem that I wanted to do today, I wanted to